Hi, welcome back. Another important tip, or sometimes it might be little depth interview question, and how could you able to answer? And this question basically useful in your interview and in real time also. Okay, let's get into the topic. So, simple question of the day: how to find text IDs and object IDs against billing transactional data in real time, S4 HANA or SAP SD or whatever you're talking. Okay, you take any version of the module. Okay, so you try to understand this, how to find text IDs and object IDs against your billing. It can be billing, sales order, delivery, same story. Okay, so I'll show you exactly what happens. So for this, you have two tables, STXL and STXH. One is text header table and second one is text item table. I will show you this one practically. Before that, if you are not subscribed, you can subscribe my channel to get more knowledge and updates about like this. And this is my top course on SAP SD. It will be like your backup course, more than 105 hours. And if you really wanted to perform yourself in a better way, this is the training for idocs. It is very, very important. And next, you must learn how to write a functional specification. And I have few courses, in-depth pricing courses, and few courses on S4 HANA and SAP SD. If you really want it, you can give it a try. So almost 21 topics I have covered here. If you are not yet subscribed, you can subscribe my channel and quickly get into the topic. Okay, let's open SAP now. Okay, where now in SAP? Let me try to create a sales order now. I will show you. You know that text determination is a process by using a simple condition technique. You can able to bring the text at a transaction level. Either you can able to copy from customer master data, or else you can able to populate from material master to your transactional data, or else you can able to do it at order header or item, delivery header or item, billing, like that. Okay, so let's create this order. Okay, let's concentrate on billing. Okay, so let's go to the delivery. Okay, very good. Let's go to the billing. Okay, so now if you see this billing, go to the header or else item. You can go anywhere. I will show you both. So now you can able to see some. This is basically text types, we'll call it as. This is basically the language. Okay, so you know that, right? VOTXN, where there is a place where we will do the text determination. But our current topic is little, after doing text determination, the question is like, how do you find text IDs and object IDs? Okay, let's keep the test one. Okay, so let's keep another one, delivery number 345 hash something. Okay, it's okay. So like that, something you have maintained this billing document. Basically, this is the document, you got it. Okay, what you have to do is, now you are getting the answer. Now let's come here. So if you maintain, if you don't maintain, it doesn't matter. What is the question? Text IDs and object IDs. Okay, if you see this, right, STXT SAP script text file lines. Okay, this is the basically line means item table. Let's go to this. This is the header table. If you pass directly the number, if you pass this number string directly, it won't come. I will show you. Okay, what it is saying? I don't know, boss. I don't have any information. But actually, if you look at this table, you can, in this table, if you query your transactional data, you can able to find text object and text ID and the language and created by whom and other statuses. So let me show you. Let's keep this star and you pass like this. Okay, now look at this, the story. Okay, created by this ID. You can able to see the language and you can able to find the IDs, text type IDs, and this is text name. Okay, means your transaction data, and a VBBK is the object. If someone asking the question, STXH is the header table. You can able to pull the data for text IDs and text objects and created by. Okay, and in the same story, STXL. So line level, item level, you can able to get it. So just copy this one. So let's put here in the similar way, star, and see when it is doing an internal table, it is with prefix double zeros. Certain times prefix and suffix will be there. That could be the reason. If certain thing, if you are passing, if you find the right table, just pass asterisk. Okay, extension it points out. You can see this. This is VBBK, and item IDs are this. So stay tuned with my channel. Tomorrow I am going to tell these tables I have shown you, right? And the interview question, that's fine. How it will be useful in real time. This is one way, like, see, now what you are thinking, like, I have created this billing document, it's not a big deal. Don't think that. So assume that you got a support ticket, like, 1,000 billing documents needs to be updated with some text. Okay, first you should know you're not implemented, right? So you're not going to stay in the same place. You move from one company to another company. You query in the tables. You'll show your expertise. Of course, you might find in Google. You need not remember all these things. And if you remember also in your experience, that is one thing. It's my experience. I'm sharing you this header and item table. Text tables also certain times to resolve certain issues and support. It is very, very important. Okay. I'll catch up with another thing tomorrow. I will show you something more interesting. Okay. About the text. Till that time, thank you so much. If you are not subscribed, you can subscribe my channel. And total 650 plus videos, the content, you can able to read it. Okay. If you really want more than 100 hours of hard work in Udemy. If you wanted to get that knowledge and you would like to use it, you can use it. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. Take care of your careers in SAP SD, ECC or S4 HANA, it doesn't matter. All the best. Take care.